to the degree of boundaries that you keep in your life around your time, your energy, your space, who has rights to you and under what conditions, directly impacts the amount of joy you experience in your life. Because when you're busy showing up as a caretaker, which is where you don't have any boundaries and you are energetically taking on other people's positionings as yours to fix and yours to mend, as perhaps a way of getting your needs for love and connection met through being the savior, you actually are actively self-abandoning. So a boundary supports you in learning the ropes of resting your mind, so recovery, while you repair your heart, while you take intelligent steps forward in your life. Have a boundary and prepare for more joy.